Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2024 Aston Martin Vantage V8. This beauty combines stunning design cues from the 177 with a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine, promising an exhilarating driving experience. Let's explore what makes this car so special. The 2024 Vantage borrows design elements from the iconic 177, evident in its aggressive front grille and redesigned headlights. It sits on striking 21-inch alloy wheels, complementing its sleek profile. At the rear, slim taillights enhance its muscular stance. Inside, the Vantage exudes luxury and sportiness. It features a 10.25-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, alongside a premium 15-speaker Bowers & Wilkins audio system. The cockpit offers a blend of modern design and ergonomic controls, ensuring both functionality and style. Powering the 2024 Vantage is a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an impressive 665 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds, with a top speed of 325 km per hour. Aston Martin has engineered it for a perfect 50-50 weight distribution, optimizing its agility and balance on the road. Enhanced mechanical components, like an electronic rear differential and adaptive dampers, ensure a smooth and dynamic driving experience. It strikes a perfect balance between comfort and performance, making it suitable for both spirited drives and daily commutes. The 2024 Aston Martin Vantage is priced at £165,000 in the UK, positioning it competitively against rivals like the McLaren GT and Ferrari Roma. In conclusion, the 2024 Aston Martin Vantage V8 represents the pinnacle of Aston Martin's engineering and design prowess. With its stunning looks, powerful engine, and luxurious interior, it's a car that truly captivates enthusiasts and drivers alike. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more car reviews and updates from our channel. Until next time, drive safe and have a great day.